On our second day, we woke up super early just so we could get to the LG keynote. I was low-key pretty excited to be at the keynote because it's my first time and I wasn't sure what to expect.
Welcome to LG World Premiere. Buddy, AI could step out of screen and start working for us in real life.
Nasty weather we're having out there. You mind taking this wet towel from me?
Sure, I'll get the laundry started. Let me show everyone what I can do.
He's pretty cool, right? Yeah. Say, Floyd, why don't you take a minute and tell the audience a little more about yourself?
Sure. I facilitate convenience and comfort by orchestrating devices and spaces to manage chores. I believe people call this ambient care.
Innovation only matters when it truly makes our lives better. Now I need this one as well.
The world's thinnest, true wireless OLED TV. Let's say you're curious about what you're watching. Whatever's on display.
If I'm alone watching a soccer game, I can ask LG AI TV about the team's winning chances.
We're bringing AI intelligence from the home now to the road. It tracks your eyes, recognizes gestures, and understands your needs and intentions in real time. The dashboard instantly switch from a monotonous 2D display to an immersive 3D interface.
Our goal for CLOiD is simple yet ambitious to make life effortless.
How about you close out today's world premiere for all of us?
Can I? I'd be delighted. The vision we've shared today is a future where innovation is always in tune with your lives. Staying true to our life's good promise, LG Affectionate Intelligence will genuinely improve everyday life and enable everyone to live better, more meaningful lives. Be sure to visit LG's exhibition booth later. And oh, I'll be there as well. So please come by and wave at me. Thank you.
We had a little bit of time before my friend's speaking engagement. Decided to go to Shake Shack because it was probably one of the cheapest things on the strip. Because CES was so big, we actually had to walk really far to like the next hotel, 3 blocks over. I'm kind of glad that we were actually able to make it to my friend Chloe Shee's panel.
Probably know me for like a cinematic storytelling and maybe see me on LinkedIn for B2B influencing.
I've known Chloe since pretty much college because yeah, we were in the same club organization, so to see her in a little panel talking in front of a massive audience was really great to see. The timing also couldn't have been more perfect because when my friend told me if I wanted to go to CES, and then immediately an hour after I saw that my friend Chloe was going to speak, I was like, dude, obviously it's like, I gotta go. By now we were actually getting really hungry, so we decided to take a suggestion that one of the taxi drivers told us, which was to go to Ellis Island and to go to the Village pub to get their prime rib and their baby back ribs, which is apparently really good. Portions were huge. I don't know how I always get into these situations where I always order a little bit too much. The prime ribs were really tender and juicy, and you know, the ribs were just the size of my face. Johnny agreed this was probably the best meal we've had so far in Vegas. And with that, CES Day 2 is done.